Today we gathered to celebrate the bright minds, courageous heart, and inspiring spirits of young Samareños
I've been waiting
who have shown exceptional leadership, dedications, and service to their community.
I welcome you all to the 5th version of the Youth Empowered Summer Awards or YES Awards.
me realize that this is just a journey. Drop your worries. You are gonna
This event is not only a recognition of individuals' achievements, but also a testament to the strength, creativity, and resilience of the youth of Samar.
keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, 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 hey. I got my hands in my
Tonight is more than an award ceremony. Tonight is a celebration of possibility, the kind of possibility that starts with a single idea, a single action, and grows into something that changes lives.
I start to compromise my life and my purpose. Is it all worth it? Am I gonna turn out fine? Oh, you turn out fine. Fine. Oh, you turn out fine. But you gotta keep your head.
Nakakaiyak po, we were seeing our children. Actually, their children, no? They were presenting all of their proposals to our expert panelists. At isa po yung testament, it's really a testament that we are developing as a province in terms of youth development.
Your head down. Hey, hey.
It's not the award that we are aiming at, but it's how we improve how we improve as in our craft in youth development work.
Once again, congratulations to all our awardees and welcome to this celebration of youth empowerment, leadership, and hope for the brighter summer. Thank you and good evening.
You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your
Padayon lang. Keep going, keep questioning, and keep imagining better ways of serving our people. Mabuhay ang kabataang Samarnon, mabuhay ang YES Awards, madamo ang kasalanan.
keep your head up, and you can let your head down.